Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have an earwax extraction video for you. So this patient has been coming in with reduced hearing. You can see that we've got some quite deep-seated wax there. It's got a bit of a sheen to it because the patient has been using a bit of olive oil just to try and soften this a little bit for us. So we're using the standard size ulnar tube. The first thing we're going to do is try and detach this wax from the edges of the canal, because it means we're more likely to get the centre mass of wax then moving down the canal in one large piece. I've just broken the first piece away there. You can see the wax is wedged quite firmly in this ear canal. There we are, just starting to see it break down a little bit. We can see the eardrum now, that bluish grey piece of skin at the back of the wax there, that's the eardrum. There we are, you can see it just all coming away now. There's the eardrum there. Okay, similar on this side. This looks like a much larger piece. Just put a little bit of olive oil in there because it looks quite dry, so it helps me to get a better suction grip on the wax itself. Really just wiggling this wax up and down, back and forth, to work it around the bends in the ear canal. There we are, you can see it just starting to work its way out now. There we go. And that came out in one piece. You can see a lovely shiny eardrum there. So the section to the left hand side, that's what we took out of the first ear. The second section there, the right hand side, is what we took out of the second. There's the standard size ulnar tube there. Yep, so some quite big chunks of wax in there. No wonder that patient wasn't hearing very well. Hearing much better afterwards. As always guys, if you did like the video and you don't mind liking, sharing, that would be great. If you're not already subscribed, then pop a subscription on. We produce new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And as always guys, take care.